Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a look at this car. With 1,156 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour just 2.5 seconds. It's the all-electric Porsche Cayenne. It's also the most powerful production model in Porsche's history, and I think its performance is truly amazing. Let's take a look at both cars together. First, let's take a look at the exterior design of the all-electric Cayenne. As you can see, the front design is strikingly bold, with a strong visual impact. The sporty styling gives it a daring look. The side profile maintains the classic Cayenne shape. A unique feature is the taillights, which extend along the side, centered on the C-pillar. This gives the profile a more dynamic look. The innovative side spoiler design is very distinctive and attractive. It reflects a unique character. Now let's take a look at the rear. The entire rear wing assembly, including the upper spoiler, gives it a distinctly sporty look. The taillights also feature a split design, with the Porsche crest in the center, making them very eye-catching when illuminated at night. Let's take a look at the interior. In my opinion, the curved screen is the most impressive innovation in the all-electric Cayenne's interior. It combines cutting-edge technology with exceptional practicality, making it ideal for displaying vehicle information, adjusting settings, and controlling features like the audio system, climate control, seats, and more. The split-screen design is incredibly user-friendly and enhances the overall feeling of advanced technology. There's also a passenger-side entertainment screen and a curved LCD instrument cluster. It features a classic 5-screen design, giving it a sleek look and significantly contributing to the cabin's sporty feel. You'll also notice that some controls, like the climate and volume buttons, still have their physical buttons. I think that's a great feature. The glove box and cup holders are also present. These seats are truly sporty. The side bolsters provide excellent support. They are also sport seats. The curved screen is truly unique. It's not a single large screen like many brands have these days, but a very innovative design. You can also view it as a single screen or a split screen. The settings are also adjusted on a curved surface. The transition, the point where the two folds meet on the curved surface, is very smooth and natural, as you'll notice here as well. The display effect is very pronounced. Let's take a look at the rear seats. As you can see, the rear seats are electrically adjustable, including the backrest angle and a forward, rear position. There are central air vents. The seats, especially the two rear seats, are very sporty and offer excellent support. There's also a center armrest and a panoramic sunroof. The glove box bears the turbo badge. This car also features individual heating systems in the glove box and door panels. In addition to seat heating, there's heating for areas your hands and arms might touch, including the door panels. The attention to detail is truly impressive. Now, let's take a look at the coupe version. Starting with the side profile, I think it's very good. From this angle, it looks like a true sports car. Then, let's move to the rear. The overall fastback design is really nice, especially the wide rear design, where the C-pillar extends all the way to the rear, giving it a strong presence. Now let's take a look at the rear. The overall sporty aerodynamic design, the raised rear wing, and the side skirts all contribute to a distinctive sporty look. Although it's a fully electric SUV, it exudes a supercar feel. The combination of numerous sporty components further enhances its athletic character. Even the headlights are noticeably slimmer than those of the current gasoline-powered Cayenne. What do you think of the performance of the Porsche Cayenne? Share your opinion in the comments section.